Hi guys, and today I'm doing another forest vlog. We are going to hopefully pick some mushrooms. It's already mid-November, so I don't know if I'll be able to find any shrooms, but we'll see. We've got the dog with us, Cutie Pie. Not exactly what I'm looking for, but it's pretty. It's actually a very lovely day today. The sun is out, just ever so slightly, but I'm still really happy. It's quite chilly though, like my cheeks are a little frozen. The air is so fresh. I just love it around here. Oops. I prefer the little shrooms like these ones, as opposed to the big old ones. Yes, that's the one. You can do all sorts of things with these shrooms. I love shroom cutlets. To any of you guys that don't know, I don't eat red meat, so I love any red meat alternatives, and I actually love to eat cutlets just made from shrooms like these ones. So I can make cutlets with these, I can make mushroom soup. I love a mushroom soup. Can make a shroom sauce, can pickle them. In my last vlog I was showing you much bigger shrooms that I make steaks with. These ones are more versatile, you can make more things with these. So yummy. More shrooms. Oh, this one doesn't look very appetizing, does it? It's edible, it's just been eaten by snails. Yeah, it doesn't look very appetizing, but I'll still take it. I'll see, I will open it, cut it open later and see. These here are also shrooms, but they've just been eaten by snails nearly completely. These are all edible shrooms, and I'm definitely not going to take them. That's the downsides of going shrooming at this time of year. Most of the shrooms are just not good anymore. It doesn't even matter to me if I won't find any shrooms, because just being in this forest is so peaceful and beautiful. I feel like it's a love or hate thing, but I love the smell of shrooms. To me, they smell so divine. I just love forest scents, I guess. The scents just bring me right back to my childhood, which is the best feeling ever. So I'm definitely like a nature kid, or I was a nature kid, now I'm still a nature person. and I'm back at the summer house with my baby as usual. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Hello, do you guys recognize him? Definitely if you've seen, oops, he just sat on me, literally. That's my leg and that's him. Oh my god. If you've seen my last vlog, then you would definitely recognize my baby boy. Come here. Time to relax. And I'm gonna go for a little walk in a second. But yeah, we picked more shrooms than I expected, definitely enough to make some cutlets and also make some sauce. Sadly the sun is gone now, but I'm still happy with today. It's been a very nice day. Still, I miss the summer so much and I just wish I could travel somewhere nice and warm right now, or just be here in this exact same spot on the hammock at my summer house. This place in the summer is my idea of heaven. Just being able to relax at my summer house by the river, beaches with no one around. Oh, I love laying down here. We are at the different summer house right now, but they're both like literally right next to each other. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie you guys, I'm feeling a little uninspired with my content. I would love you guys to give me some video recommendations down in the comments, especially if you would like to see more of literally anything from vlogs and lifestyle videos like this one to any other content. My channel has never been very specific, so please you guys, if you have any recommendations for any of the future videos, leave a comment and let me know, because I've been feeling maybe not even uninspired, because I really want to produce more content. I just haven't been very creative. I can't think of many ideas of what to film. This time of year is never the easiest for me, and I'm bored personally of the content that I make. I would much rather be more creative and also do other videos as well. So please let me know what you would like to see and I would love to film more videos for you guys. Until Christmas I'll be staying at the farm. If you want to see my farm, if you haven't seen that video, then I'll leave it linked down in the description, because I think it's quite a nice cozy video where I show you where I live, where I give you a tour of how I live and where I live. So I think I'm going to be staying at the farm until after Christmas, because England is on lockdown right now, and I think here I have my summer house. So this place, these two summer houses, close to the farm as well. The problem with summer houses, as the name could suggest, they're intended for the summertime, so there's no central heating here. That's why I would love to stay here just in the forest, because here I can literally just go anywhere. We are on lockdown, but we are in the forest with no one around whatsoever. So here would be an ideal location to stay during lockdown. I have some electric heaters, but I don't know if they would be powerful enough to heat up the entire house overnight, especially since right now it's about 4 degrees at night, and within the next few days it might even go down to 3 and 2 degrees at night. So not the best idea to stay overnight without central heating, I don't think, especially because I'm quite weak with cold. Just went for a little walk, but my god you guys, it's quite cold. Little pond in there, but it's so hidden by all the leaves and plankton that it's easy to walk straight in it. found more shrooms. Found more shrooms. Shrooms, shrooms, shrooms. Shrooms, 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 shrooms. Oh god, you guys, what have I done? I'm such a silly sausage. Oh, I'm so cold. So cold. So cold. And all of a sudden it hit me. I knew it was too good to be true. My hands are getting freezing cold. My nose is a bit runny, so I don't want to get a cold. I might have to cut this vlog shortly. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to see more vlogs of this style, then leave a comment down below and let me know. But that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!